There she is.
Oh!
Control, they'll bury me under the mud. All right, garbage bag, you're mine.
And you're dead! Hammer, is that her?
I don't know if that's her. You! All right, we'll try that again. Let's go, come with me.
We don't have all day.
All right. Why'd you poison me, Mudpack?
I didn't try and poison you. Your friend said those were knockout drops.
You're lying. I don't have any friends.
It's the truth. The guy gave me $100 and a pass key and told me to go to apartment number 13 and put knockout drops.
Wait a minute. Apartment 13. I live in apartment 12.
Oh, Hammer, the poison wasn't for you.
Oh, this is great. Now when I die, my neighbor's life will flash in front of my eyes.
How could you make such a stupid mistake?
Hey, don't yell at me. Yell at Dr. DeDon.
Who's Dr. DeDon?
He's the one that made me wear these stupid contact lenses. I am going back to glasses.